Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make it like a really good expandable scrollable card view. Okay, you don't need to like use the card view sort of API, but rather you just use whatever we learned and you combine them together. It will give you a very nice card view. All right. Without further ado, let's get to it. So next, create a let's create a new folder. Scrollable card view. Scrollable card view. Yeah, let's get to it. We don't need that, so click, drag, and sometimes we don't need this minimap. If you like to find a minimap here, most of the time we don't need it. I want it to be like a bigger, so just get rid of this. Right, so what I'm going to do is to put everything inside of navigation stack. So just get rid of this. Okay, navigation stack. So inside navigation stack, put everything inside of scroll view. And yeah, I'm going to change this a little bit because there's like I should be like a line here. Okay, so let me adjust that. Okay, yeah, I find a way of doing that is like the invisible, right? And yeah, warp lines, and then that's it. And of course you can use like a holding options to get the open and closing bracket, but that's it. But yeah, I thought that Xcode should get something like familiar, similar to Xcode, but this obviously doesn't have. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. Let's continue. So scroll view, and just scroll view. And inside here we got like very big V stack. I know it will get like a really complex really quickly. Doesn't really matter. I just want quickly give you guys a basic layout. Okay, so inside of the V stack, so basically still vertical stack, right? Scrollable, but it's vertical. And here we can do something like the edge stack. So edge stack means that's horizontal, the first line of item, and then inside we can get another V stack. So yeah, let me just finish with one item first, and then you can quickly like duplicate that. First, let's change alignment to leading. Okay, and then you can have a label, and that label can have a certain text. So for example, for example, you want build a say skipping the rope. Okay, so jumps. So how many jumps that you do a day can greatly like lose your weight. Okay, I'm trying to lose my weight recently, so then you can have a system image and have a name to it. And what I'm going to do right now is to use the SF symbol, right, and try to find a jump icon. Okay, jump rope. Okay, that's good. I love this. So yeah, copy name, and I can paste it here to jump rope. And then you can add all sort of modify this label. So for example, you can have a font, you can have a dots, title. Let me make it like smaller. and yeah, that should do it. And you can even change the color. So for example, it's foreground color with deprecated future. Remember foreground style, so it should be foreground style, or encompassing. You can have a few cyan brown bar, few indigo. Indigo may be too much. Pink, purple, orange maybe. Let's try orange this time. Okay, then you can have a certain text saying there will be daily jumps, yeah, something like that. And you can add the font of this time even smaller, so caption, and you can have a style of a orange, or maybe just, you can use the system style, and then it will automatically change according to the different like night view or not night view, something like that. Let's just quickly run this. So first, check whether it can compile or not, whether it does have a bug or not. Second is look at the layout, because I did not have the like the preview at the right side. I don't want to bother myself with the preview because it's fairly small. The building will the build as well as the install run will be fairly quick. Okay, so if you look at here, we got this like scroll view, get jumps and daily jumps, right? I think this looks fairly good, especially the choose of orange color. Yeah, that's pretty good. So then the next step is to put everything inside of a yeah, like a card view. Okay, I'll show some some charts that can show how many jumps that you did a day. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm going to do that in the next video. So this video is mainly about the basic layouts out here. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. The V stack and yeah, sorry. I got it to the Godot. Yeah, it's fairly long. I'll see you next video, right? Bye.